Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, greetings of harmony. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Salwa Alivia with student ID number 23110210023. In this video, I will discuss about the development of educational technology in the era of Society 5.0. Okay, there is an introduction, discussion, and conclusion. The background of this discussion is the Society 5.0 era, bringing major transformation in various aspects of life, including education. This era integrates advance of technology such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data to create super smart society. In education, society focus on creating relevant, inclusive, and personal learning experience through the use of technology. Then the purpose of the discussion is identify the development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era, explore example, and detail various perspectives on the development of educational technology and significance of the perspective on the future of global education, as well as its benefits, namely providing insight for educators, students, and policy makers to optimize technology in education, and helping prepare the next generation to be competent and resilient in facing global challenge. Entering the discussion, exploration of development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era, example of the development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era, perspective on the development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era, and the significance of perspective on educational technology in the Society 5.0 era. The first material, namely exploration of the development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era. There is artificial intelligence or AI, a learning personalization tools to student analysis. For example, Newton and Dreambox. AI system provide adaptive learning models. Then the Internet of Things or IoT connects learning device to create smart education ecosystem. Third, there is virtual reality and augmented reality. This technology creates an immersive learning environment and understand of abstract concepts. For example, VR for laboratory simulation and VR for interactive visualization. Fourth, ada data literacy is a basic competency in facing the challenge of the digital era. For example, simple data analysis is to educational software. The last is flexible learning model. Education can now be accessed anytime and anywhere to digital platform. Next, there are material example of the development of educational technology in the Society 5.0 era. There is online learning platform that allows interactive between teacher and student remotely. For example, Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Then there is robotics in education, namely robots as interactive learning tools, especially STEM. For next, there is hybrid class, namely combination of face-to-face and online learning that provides flexibility. The gamification application is application that's making learning more interesting and interactive. For example, quizzes for interactive quiz. And finally, technology-based project, or namely project-based curriculum that integrates real-world problem solving. For example, science simulation with Lobster. Next is the discussion of perspective on the development of education and technology in the era of Society 5.0. The first is database education, namely data analysis support personalization in increased learning effectiveness. Next is the role teacher as facilitator. Teacher now function more as mentor and facilitator than just convey of material. Then focus on 21st century skills, namely the curriculum skills such as creativity, communication, and collaboration. For social inclusion in education, the technology support accessibility of education for students in the remote areas with special needs. And finally, sustainable in education, namely technology-based education helps students understand and face environmental challenge. Then there is last discussion, namely the significance of perspective on educational technology in the Society 5.0 era. First, increasing educational efficiency, technology roots, administrative burden, and a low grade focus on teaching. Then increasing accessibility, education can be accessed without geographical boundaries. Next, supporting learning diversity, technology enable flexible learning style according to individual needs. Then preparing the future generation, digital literacy and technology skills are core competency. And finally, encouraging inclusive and sustainable education, technology ensures all students get equal learning opportunities. The conclusion is the analysis of the development of educational technology 5.0 era shows a significant transformation in the learning system with the integration advanced technology as AI, IoT, VR, big data. Education is not only more inclusive but also adaptive to the needs of individual students. The perspective resulting from this development include the importance of personalization, inclusion, and sustainable in education. By harnessing potential of technology, we can create the generation of learning who are ready to face global challenges in this digital era. That's all the presentation I can deliver. If there are any wrongs, please forgive me. Thank you.